Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, you guys. It is Vlogmas Day 3. Yeah, okay, so it's Vlogmas Day 3, all right, and we are DIYing today. Okay, so what we're gonna DIY is this door right behind me. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? All right, so this door right here, I want to put a mirror on, but I need to get a mirror, and I have a mirror. I got it from Target, but I'm trying to see what I can do without putting any holes in this door, because I don't want to put holes in this door. So what I did was I bought these strips right here. I'm going to kind of like put it along this door, if you can kind of see. So I'm going to put it along this door, and then it's just going to kind of like hang there, because what I want to be able to do is actually take, you know, some little pictures, selfies, try on hauls, stuff like that. So I'm gonna see. All right, yeah, so I'm bringing you along. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this little area out, hang this up, and hopefully it turns out okay. So Vlogmas Day 3 is going to be DIY updated closet. Really, I'm just adding something to the closet, so it's really not an update because I have not done my whole entire closet. So right now it's just something simple, that way I don't have to go out into the bathroom all the time to kind of like look at that big mirror. So yeah, Vlogmas Day 3, here we go.
Sing glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful lonely nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Okay, you guys, so I have removed everything on the floor in the closet, and I have swept. So that's why I'm out of breath. But this is the mirror right here. I got this from Target. It is Project 62. I think it's like a brand within a brand of Target or whatever like that. So either which way, the strips that I have for the door says it should be able to hold, I think, up to like 24 pounds. Let me check that, because I really do not want this to fall. But it's a cute little mirror. Has kind of like that brass gold color on it, and it looks kind of the same like the legs on the ottoman that I bought from Target. So I like that, it matches. But yeah, it doesn't give me the weight, it just gives me like the dimensions. So again, it has a brass finish, hangs over the door. I'm not going to mount it on the door because, one, I can't reach it. It is an 8-foot tall door. I could call my husband, probably. He could probably like do it for me or whatever. Still get on the ladder because it's not like he's 8 feet tall. But either which way, I'm gonna attempt to do this myself. I'm not saying I'm not handy. A lot of times he just does it for me, just that way I don't have to bother. But we're going to DIY this ourselves. And kind of just see. So I'm gonna measure it out where I think I want it, and then put the strips, let that set on the door for a little bit, and then just kind of go from there, you guys. All right, here we go. All right, you guys, so I'm in the closet right now. I'm going to attempt with these strips to kind of see how I want it. And like I said, it is this 3M, actually it says it holds 16 pounds. So for one of these, it holds 16 pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of like put them all along the door and kind of see how I, you know, like it. Hopefully it fares out. I believe this mirror is less than 16 pounds, so we're just gonna see. But I'm gonna flip you around to show you the mirror. That way you kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about, and that's what I want in the room. And hopefully you get what I'm kind of going for. All right? All right. Okay, you guys. Oh, look at that leg. Look at that leg. Okay, don't look at that leg. All right, so right now, currently, I am just relaxing, so don't worry about that. Yes, you can see me in the mirror. This is kind of what I was talking about. So I want to be able to kind of like, do some little cute little selfie shots, show you guys kind of like outfits of the day, shoes, sneakers of the day. As you can see right here, these are all my sneakers. I keep saying that, but they're not. Those are actually my Jordans, all in this pile. You can see it in this mirror right now because that's just how it is. These right here are so cute. I got them for us to wear with our pajamas. They ran out because everybody was kind of like buying them up. So mine says Mama Bear. My husband says Papa Bear. They had one that said Little Bear, but it didn't fit the little one, so I have to just go back and get different ones or whatever like that. So either which way, I like it. It's cute. And again, I got that from Target. But yeah, I am going to try to attempt, you guys, to put this mirror up myself. Yes. Like I said, Vlogmas is full of surprises. All right, so Vlogmas day 3 DIY. I'm gonna try to put this up myself. That right there is, if you can see it, yes, that is a little Christmas tree that's decorated with lights on the counter. I am actually doing stuff in there. I am cleaning. I am putting stuff away. I'm actually doing my hair all at the same time. I'm multitasking, you guys. I'm multitasking. So either which way, yeah, so my sister got me this shirt. I don't even know where she got it from, so I can't even like link it or anything like that. But this cute little skirt, it goes all the way up. I put it all the way up. I just always feel comfortable that way. But I actually got it from Fabletics. So it's cute. It's cute. So I'm going to actually spin you around. Do not worry about that ring light. It's going to be really bright. But yeah, we're going to look at the closet. So hopefully I can get everything situated probably within a few months. I don't know. But it's just a few of my bags. I showed you guys that before. That definitely will not stay here once I do the organizational system in the closet, because of course I'm gonna have like drawers there. That's kind of like an idea in my head, but I don't know. Right there you have my Saint Laurent and tote, and you have my Burberry tote, which I think I might change into. So yeah. And this right here, this bottom row is pretty much all of my relax, chill / workout clothes, shirts that go with it, hoodies and everything like that. Just my regular shoes that I wear on a regular. Right? All right, so here we go. 3M Command Value Pack Large Pair Strips, picture hanging. All right, so here we go.
Sing glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and sinners reconciled. Joyful lonely nations rise. Join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
I'm gonna need my husband's help. All right, so I'm gonna get the hubby. I'm gonna see if he can do this for me, or help me, assist me, and then we're gonna go from there. All right.
So is this what side is going on the door?
What do you mean?
What side is going on the door? Wait a minute. Are these, where's the other part to this?
That was all of it.
Wait, so this connects to the. What connects to this?
I don't know. It just.
Born that man no more may die. Born to raise the sons of earth. Born to give them second birth. Hark the herald angels sing.
It's done. All right, so we just put a little hook there because it was way too empty in this space right here, because of course there are 8-foot doors on the first floor. So I like it, but this is the finished product. Again, I got this from Target. We just put the 3M on the back of the mirror, let it sit for like an hour or a few hours, and it should stick. So my husband helped me out. I'm actually not going to touch it, and I'm editing a video, and then I'm about to binge watch The Crown. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. That is it. That is my DIY in my closet with my mirror. So I like it. I like the gold, and it matches the gold right there. So it's cute. All right. That's the end of the vlog. These are for Christmas, and I will talk to you guys later. All right. See you in the next Vlogmas video. Bye-bye.